Today, we're taking an in-depth look at Craft CMS, a powerful and flexible content management system designed with developers in mind. If you're looking for a CMS that gives you total control over your site's structure and content, Craft CMS could be a solid choice. The first thing that stands out is its user-friendly dashboard, which allows for easy navigation. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, giving you quick access to your site's structure, entries, and settings. Craft CMS excels in flexibility. Unlike many other content management systems, it doesn't impose a rigid content model on you. You can structure your website however you like, which makes it an ideal choice for custom web applications. Whether you need a simple blog or a complex e-commerce site, Craft CMS has you covered. It supports custom fields, relationships, and even third-party integrations, giving developers the freedom to design unique experiences for their clients. One of the standout features of Craft CMS is its content entry system. It allows you to define exactly what fields you need, making content creation and management more intuitive. Whether you're managing text, images, or custom content, the system adapts to your needs. It's a huge time saver when working with large amounts of content. In terms of performance, Craft CMS doesn't disappoint. The system is fast and highly optimized, ensuring that your website runs smoothly. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale website, Craft CMS can handle it without sacrificing speed. Additionally, Craft CMS supports caching, which further enhances performance. Another feature worth noting is its excellent developer tools. Craft CMS offers a robust set of tools for developers, including powerful APIs, custom templates, and advanced flexibility with plugin integrations. You can fully customize the back end and front end, allowing you to create tailored solutions that meet specific business needs. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These resources will guide you on how to get started with Craft CMS, explore its documentation, and access helpful third-party plugins. Despite all its advantages, there are a few things to keep in mind. Craft CMS is a bit more developer-centric than other CMS options, which may make it challenging for beginners without coding knowledge. However, for those who are comfortable with development or are willing to learn, it's an incredibly powerful tool. To wrap up, Craft CMS is a fantastic option for developers who need full control over their website's design and functionality. It provides all the flexibility you need while keeping things efficient and well-organized. If you're a developer looking for a CMS that allows you to create custom experiences, Craft CMS is definitely worth considering. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews, tutorials, and web development tips. Don't forget to like the video if you found this review helpful.